Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can promote Amazon affiliate links on Instagram app. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open the Amazon app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page where some available products will appear. Now search for the product you would like to share the link of and open it up. In my case, I would like to share the link of this item. Once you have selected the product, tap on the share icon at the top right corner of its image and a menu will slide up inside it. You will be able to get your affiliate link. Note that you can only get the affiliate link if you're enrolled in the affiliate program. If you aren't just like me, then you will get the ordinary link only, so make sure to enroll beforehand. And once you have the affiliate link, close the Amazon app and open Instagram. Now make sure that the app is updated. After that, click on the story icon at the top of your screen. The camera will be launched. Simply select the base image or video. After selecting the image, then go to the stickers tab at the top and select links from inside of it. I'll paste the copied link. Add a custom text if you want. Tap on the done button and then share it on your story. So that's basically how you can promote Amazon affiliate links on Instagram app. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.